Hello, today I'm in MINI Countryman. In this video I'll show you how to pair smartphone with car via Bluetooth. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display, and now from the main menu go to telephone. Now select add new device before you can enter Bluetooth. And now on your smartphone, go to Bluetooth settings, pair new device, and the next search for MINI 51978 in my case. Next, enter passcode on the screen display of your car and enter the same passcode on your smartphone. And it's done. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.